Hey guys, so quick video for you if you're looking for skipping the Battlefield 5 intro. You can see here that there is some option in the settings that makes the sequence either skippable by pressing X once or by holding X. So for me it was holding X. So I'd say you get it on hold since that was the default for me when I started. So what you want to do is like when you're gonna have intro, just press and hold X. And maybe it's going to help you. I hope so. So have a great day and goodbye.